So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to share your referral code here on the Questrade application. So once Questrade's opened up, I want you to go to the top left and press on the three horizontal lines. Once you're on this screen where it says investing, refer a friend, I want you to go ahead and press on this option right here that says refer a friend. Once you're on this screen, you actually do have your referral code just like this. So what you can actually do is copy your code and then share this with whoever you want, or you can go to the bottom and press on share referral code, and it'll give you a bunch of different options that way in regards to sharing your referral code. So very simple, very straightforward, but this is how to share your referral code here on the Questrade application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.